I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah blah blah, and I'm willing to share them all. This little slide thingy. I think I showed where to hold the straps. Straps is fairly handy. Well, it's kind of just a bit off halfway. One loop around there and a small loop around there. I can look at that. This is the slide. I think I showed a bit of it. You might be able to see it there. And you always play just above it.